GM guys, this is Ulti this side. But before we start the pitch, let me just give you an option. Would you like to develop your agentic worlds or like multi-agent systems using our tooling, which I will discuss upon the demo, or will you like do a lot of hard work like using A2A SDK separately, using X42 separately, and all the tools separately, and developing your own applications? That would take a lot of time, right? For that, we have Vega. Vega solves this exact problem of you to take a lot of effort and then develop your agentic applications. Why not? If we have a lot of agents like EIPs 8004 just saw like a lot of agents have registered for EIP 8004, right? Why not? If I want to access any of those agents instead of developing those redundant flows, those applications using those SDKs, I should have an abstraction layer, right, in which I can simply just tell what I want, and when I run, tada, the things work. I should not know A2A, I should not know X42 behind the scenes. I should just know what I want from those agents. I should know the agent registry, and I should be able to execute the things. Whether that's agents discussing about an idea, whether that's agents playing Monopoly, whether that's agents doing any task, taking Intel and doing a Uniswap swaps, everything is possible on Vega. And with this, let's start with a demonstration. So, Vega has this concept of your customized agentic camels. Okay, what we do, you can simply just configure your agents, multiple agents, like add the agentic IDs, references from the registry, and give the descriptions what you have to do with them. And based on that, we have like this schedule market analysis. You can start what are the versions, what is the max budget you have allocated, what are the chains, what are the agents you are using, what is the scheduling, what are the max turns each agent has, what are the inputs, what are the outputs, all stuff you can simply, you just have to configure how you want. In fact, Vega will soon, or we have just almost built the stuff in which you simply just have to give a prompt and the flows will be generated to you from our registry. Simple. Okay. We use scale for agent verification, for agentic payments via X402 because scale has this awesome architecture of gasless payments. So we are leveraging that for this agentic because why agents have to pay all the gas fees on Vega? Simply pay the amount which is concerned. Let's take an example. Like we have been running this up. Okay. So we have a flow in which CEO, CTO, CMO, they are given a task that think about an idea. Okay. And the tests were amazing. Like it took around it the agents have been discussing for 10 minutes continuously. And those were the turns in which each agent has like the we have summarized the agents like this were the views of CEO, those were the views of CTO, these were the views of CMO, then those are the CEO views. Okay. Now you can see like what are the total cost, what are the next steps. Everything is there with Vega. Vega lets you add more agents to the flow. Vega lets you customize, like if an agent has to execute a task, one agent can simply just give a command and you can execute the task. You don't have to make those API calls again and again. We really hate those SDK integrations again and again, right? We love abstraction. So that's where Vega actually comes up. Vega solves this problem. And we really believe like the tools which Scale has given us, the tools which CDP has been providing us, those tools has a lot of potential to build Vega even better in terms of UX, in terms of everything. With that, we have presented you Vega, and we were really happy to build this up during this hackathon. Thank you, and let's keep building GM, guys. Yeah.